What we're looking at here is the Vaio Duo 11. This is an 11-inch screen Ultrabook. We're calling this a hybrid PC because what it allows you to do is use in a typical keyboard and screen fashion, or you can fold the unit flat and use it in more of a tablet function. And then to open it back up, all we have to do is lift on the screen and to reveal the keyboard. Now the screen, of course, is exposed in this view, but it is covered in Gorilla Glass, so it is protected. This is a full 1080 display. It also has full ports, so USB 3.0, HDMI. On the other side, we have VGA, SD or memory stick, and Ethernet is available on the back. The device also, as you can see, is NFC compatible, as well as Bluetooth and wireless. So it gives you a bit of everything that you're looking for in a standard laptop, but it allows you the flexibility of using it however you'd like to.